Ashley, one half of Space Cats, and today I turned my living room into a sweatshop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Okay, not really, but I finally received all of my MWAVE packages for a group order that I ran maybe a month or two ago, and a little while back I was requested by both members from my group order as well as some of our own viewers to unbox all 37 boxes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Also, to show that I'm pretty organized, I have my signed album and PC count and how many I'm gonna have of each, courtesy of my sister who's gonna be doing some of the slave work with me. So we're gonna start off with our first box. Let's do it. Look at him! He's so beautiful! Oh my gosh! Hoshi! I think. Dude, who the fuck? This is a fresh sign. Another Jonghan. Oh, this is the 1st June. Meow. Oh, scoops! We've been getting a lot of scoops. First Mingyu. Our first woos! I got a scoop skirt. Listen, one. Scoops. The hell is this? I think this is Hoshi. First Mingyu. Another woos! Scoops! Leave me alone! When am I gonna get someone else that's not DK? Or Scoops! I'm so... Ashley's derailing. Or Minghao! Another Mingyu. Joshua! This is a nice change. How many scoops am I gonna get? The woos? Joshua! Oh! So in this box, I got all of the freebies from when my tile was chosen. So these are going to be randomly distributed within my group order. Okay, literally, I stopped showing all the scoops ones. Speaking of, it's a perfect scoop set. Finally, something different. It's Minghao's. Yeah.
Yeah, 17.
Oh, he just like slipped out.
Yeah, let me show you how it's supposed to be done right now. Shining diamonds.
Pushy. Okay, I knew it was gonna come back.
Shining diamonds.
I'm like shaking. Too much. Este viejo no me deja en paz. ¡Los dos! Minghao. I'm shaking, y'all. It's because of how many scoops I keep getting. God. Look at that! It's scoops! This is Minghao. She's like the 4th or 5th boo I've seen. Joshua! Hi, Kenny. You wanna say hi to the camera? Yeah. can already tell that this is gonna take me a long time to. Ah! The blade fell off and stabbed my leg. Joshua! Second juke. Yeah. It's Mingyu. Toshi. Here we have another box that I can literally insert my arm into. This is a perfect Mingyu set. I'm emotional.
Yeah.
And it has Joshua.
Like ocean waves, 그냥 혼자 속에 돌타는 건지. 그냥 혼자 속에 돌타는 건지. Yup, man, I'm living it. 난 부럽지 않은 매일매일 어디에 있든지. All the kids follow around me a while like ocean waves.
And Minghao. Down to the last spot. Did they just decide to send me all of the scoops and Seokmin signs? I've had days where I've thought about scoops, Minghao, and Seokmin, you know? I had a better chance. Oh, it's Luffy. Last box. So this is how my living room looks after all the boxes and all the bubble wrap. I finished. I'm so tired. I changed out of my shirt. I started sweating. My hair is a mess. Look at this. It was fun though. I mean, I guess. But we're done. I'm done. All I need to do is package and send them. But other than that, everything's all good, fam. Your girl's still alive. I mean, I'm here.